This is Ajay Kumar from RUDRA Surgical, Mumbai. We are manufacturing laparoscopy, urology, gynecology instruments and equipment. Now I am going to explain about Bissinger bipolar sealer cutter. This is Bissinger bipolar sealer cutter in black handle, gold tip. You can use this instrument multiple times in surgery. Best quality ever. And you could disassemble insert also like that. When you want to change insert, you can change insert only from here. In future, if instrument is not working, you can buy another instrument. You have to save your handle money. So it's the best quality, reusable. Thank you so much. Have a great day.